Sunset softly brings forgotten pain again. Silent teardrops fall across lonely memories tonight. My heart keeps waiting patiently for you. Your shadow fades beyond the evening sky. Lonely nights embrace my fragile, broken soul. Every star witnesses my quiet, falling tears. Your sweet name still lives inside me. With every goodbye spoken. Why did love change without any reason? Still I remain despite endless aching heart. Tears at sunset's edge keep falling softly, washing every dream we shared together once. I release your love with trembling heart. May happiness always gently follow your journey. Sunlight heals my wounded heart slowly. I keep memories deep inside, forever still. Though alone, I keep walking with courage. New hope rises beyond fading